This is a Freightliner 122 SD. This headlight is working and this headlight is out. Here is how to replace the headlight. You've got two of these latches, each on either side. Go ahead and get those both up and then just push the hood up. There should be a cover like this. It is the innermost one. Get that over. This is somewhat of an older style, so what you've got to do is peel this up. There is this retainer clip in here and it hinges right on that side, and right here is where you pull it out. What I've got to do is get a screwdriver in here and I pull it back and then it pops up. The screwdriver in and go like that. It is stuck. So generally what you're gonna do is when this is still in there, you can probably just pull that out. This one is old and crusty, so that's why I'm doing it this way. I forgot to say that. Let's get this back in there and see if I can just yank it out. I was able to yank on it. I pulled a bunch. So that is what's going on right there. These retaining clips are what hold it down. Can never get them to push down and up like they're supposed to. I always have to use a screwdriver and pull them out. It's supposed to go up, but it never works for me. There, that is up, that retaining clip, and take note of how it is seated. There's a top part there and two side pieces that go into little slots there, and that's how you have to put the new one in. Remove it, and this is, I believe, a 9003, yeah, HB2 9003, and it has two filaments in here. One is for high beam and one is just for the headlights. This one is burnt out. These get very hot, so you do not want to hold them and put them in and test them. I did that once and I burnt my finger, so be wary of that. These get very hot. Pull that clip up, put that down in here in the same way that you pulled the old one up, and go ahead and put this in there. This is a lot easier than pulling it out. There we go. Go ahead and fold that the right way, put that on, make sure to get all three prongs through it, and then just push around and it'll seat. There we go. Make sure that seats around it all the way. You don't want water getting up in there. And then you take that and just push it back down. There we go. And then around to the front and see if the light works. And then make sure to work this back over and get that seated. If that didn't work, then you likely have a wiring issue, possibly a switch issue. But if one side's working and the other side's not, it's likely wiring on one side. That is how you replace the headlights in a Freightliner 122 SD. I hope this helped somebody. Thank you for watching. If it did help you, please consider subscribing, and safe driving out there. Bye.